Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay by phone. To begin, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Tap the plus sign in the top right corner to add a new card. You can then scan your card or manually enter its details. Finally, verify your card with your bank, which often involves a quick text message or phone call to confirm your identity. This simple setup takes just a few moments. Making an in-store payment is incredibly fast. Simply double-click the side button on your iPhone to bring up your default card. Authenticate your purchase using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode for security. Then, hold the top of your iPhone near the contactless reader at the checkout. A check mark and the word "Done" will appear on your screen, confirming your payment is complete in just a few seconds. Using Apple Pay for online and in-app purchases offers great convenience. When checking out, look for the distinct Apple Pay button. Tap it to select your preferred card and confirm your shipping details. You'll then authenticate the purchase with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Your payment and personal information are transmitted securely, ensuring a smooth and private transaction without needing to enter card numbers manually. Managing your cards with an Apple Pay is straightforward and secure. Open the Wallet app to view all your added cards, where you can easily set a default card for quick transactions. If a card is lost or expires, you can remove it with just a few taps. Remember, Apple Pay uses device-specific numbers and unique transaction codes for every purchase, providing an extra layer of security to protect your financial information.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.